Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and after the yesterday's CPI, we got a good amount of selling pressure on the chart of gold. Gold made a low of 3321. After that, gold tried to recover, and we can see gold is going up again. As we all know, the chart of gold has been very unpredictable and kind of crazy for the last couple of weeks. And sadly, after CPI also things have not changed much, because if we look at the daily chart of gold, you can see that gold is still struggling for a direction. Overall, the chart is bullish, there is no doubt about it. But my dear friend, if we just focus on the recent candles, do we see any direction on the market? Obviously, the answer is no. As a result, trading has been a little bit difficult on the chart of gold, especially for swing traders or positional traders, because they prefer to hold their position for a couple of days and weeks. So in simple words, if you're a swing trader or positional trader, then you need to wait or you need to look for positions outside gold. If you're a day trader, stick to the levels. That's the only solution here. If we look at the market sentiment, we can see gold slips as big buyers pull back. Gold retreats after US inflation picks up in June. And this is the chart of gold. Due to the choppy nature of the market, okay, things are a little bit off, especially for the new traders. That's why I said let's stick to the levels. So if you have any ongoing position on the chart of gold right now, you can hold your trade. No need to do anything. Okay. But if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then wait for the levels. Okay. Right now we can see that gold is going up. The first level where you can look for a sell is around 3341. 3341 is the first level where you can look for a sell position. Why? Because of the previous support working as resistance here. The second level will be around 3349 where you can look for a sell opportunity, and the third is around 3356. So these are the three selling opportunities on the chart of gold where we can look for a sell opportunity as a day trader only. How much you can expect? You can expect 50 pips, and also you can keep your SL around 50 pips, means 1:1 risk to reward ratio. After hitting 50 pips, if you see that there is further potential, then you can hold. For example, yesterday when we were discussing about 3365 area, okay, I mentioned that it's a high risk level, but honestly I was not expecting this drop. But many of you did not exit. Okay, you hold your sell and you made good money. So today also, after hitting the sell button, okay, if you see the market has further potential after 50 pips, you can hold your trade. But keep in mind, no level is permanent in the market. So if you see the market is showing price rejection from above, then only go for a sell. For example, if you see that there is a big green candle after 1 hour, if you still take the sell opportunity, that's a bad decision. Okay, do not forget, we are traders, not gamblers. And 3375 is still there in the market. I think in the next time when market will be hitting 337475 area, okay, we can expect a breakout. But as of now, market is choppy. Market is looking for direction. So let's stick to the levels. So 3341, 334950, and 3356 are three levels where you can look for a sell position. Keep in mind, they are not very strong levels, but right now the things are not very bullish or bearish for gold, so we are looking for these short opportunities, small opportunities. And we also have a news coming up in the US session, not a big news, okay, that can make the market crazy, but still be careful. So we can expect that these to work before the US session only. Similarly, okay, after US session, okay, if we see market going downside, then we can look for a sell below 3320. Yes, we can look for a sell below 3320. Chances are high that this will work after US session only. Okay, and where are the next support levels? Next support levels on the chart of gold is around 330708 and 3296. These are the two support levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a bounce if market drops. The best support is around 3284, 3285. Okay, 328583 area. This one. But obviously this level is far away, so we are looking for some immediate levels. So this is a support where you can look for a bounce, and this is also a support where you can look for a bounce. If you're wondering why are we considering all these levels, let me show you one by one. So here, okay, so here we are using Fibo. Okay, we are using Fibo here. So we can see that around 3341 area, we have Fibo 38.2% retracement level, plus we have the 100 moving average. Then we are looking for a sell around 334950 area because of Fibo 50% retracement level and also the 50 moving average. It's a round number as well. Then we are considering 3356 area 5556 because of the previous support acting as resistance. Okay, and we are considering 3307 as support because of the previous support resistance acting as support. And same here also, we are expecting the previous resistance to act as support. So these are the levels where we can look for buy and sell on the chart of gold. We are looking for trading opportunities both sides because the market is choppy, market is direction. And my reference, if you're also worried after the Exness news, then you can switch to Star Trader or you can open your account in Star Trader. Star Trader is not only a tier 1 licensed broker, but they also provide insurance up to $1 million, and they are also a member of the Financial Commission. Means safety wise, they are at a better spot than Exness. They also have all the licenses that we seek as a trader. And the best thing about Star Trader is that the spread is one of the lowest in the industry, that too on a standard account. On a standard account, you can get a spread of 17 to 18 on gold. No commission, no hidden charges. And if you're from India, then your account is also swap free. If you're from outside India, other part of the world, you get a swap free account up to 14 days. So feel free to open your account in Star Trader if you're looking for a safe broker for your hard-earned money. The link will be in the description, and use this button here so that your account is open under my referral so that I can help you with any issues. And if you also open your account under me, you'll also get access to our WhatsApp community. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.